Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get and install iOS 16 on iPhone 7, 7 Plus or iPhone 6s. First of all, open Safari browser. Type on search bar apple.beta profiles and tap on search. Here you can see appears on screen beta profile. Just tap on beta profile. Enter your finger for security. It will take some wait for a few seconds. You can see appears on screen download profile. Just tap on download profile. Tap on allow. Tap close and go back home screen. Now open settings again and you can see appears on screen profile downloaded. Just tap on install. Enter your iPhone passcode. Install now. Again tap install. Tap on restart for install updates iOS 16. After restart, your iPhone will be updated iOS 16.